What's going on, guys? Just making a Florida man training guide to Humvees. So if you just bought a Humvee and your very first thought is, I'm just gonna jump this thing into a lake, this is the video for you. So the main thing you need to watch out for is your cooling fan. Your cooling fan is made of plastic and over time they get brittle. And if you don't properly disengage your cooling fan when going in water with your Humvee, it will destroy your cooling fan and it could possibly go through your radiator. I found this out the hard way twice, so don't do what I did. Always some bullshit going on with this thing. Radiator fans broke off, went through the radiator. So this is one of the trucks I've been building for one of my subscribers on YouTube. So once the truck is up to normal operating temperature, the cooling fan will be turning on and turning off, just regulating the temperature, maintaining it. And you don't want the cooling fan to instantly turn on like right when you're about halfway in the water, because the sudden impact of the water on the blades of the fan will actually rip them off. So to disengage the cooling fan for about 20 seconds, all you do is you floor the gas pedal and hold it for just a second. And that will disengage and put a delay on the actual cooling fan for about 20 seconds and allow you to get fully submerged, or at least the front end fully submerged. And that'll prevent you from breaking any of those fan blades. So these trucks actually have torsion style locking differentials. So to engage the differential, all you have to do is with the truck on and in drive, you put one foot on the brake and then you start applying some of the gas and that'll actually engage the lockers. So these trucks are actually designed to sink in the water, which allows them to gain traction on the ground. So hopping in one of my other Humvees, I'm going to show you guys how to change the actual transfer case. So with the truck on and the shifter in neutral, you could either go to high lock, high, which is where you want to normally be when driving on the road, and then you have neutral and then low. So just for like, let's say crawling mode, let's go to low. So with neutral, we'll put it in low right there. Sometimes it might grind, but I guess that's somewhat normal. So now we are in the low mode in the transfer case. Then we can go back to high or high lock. So again, when you're driving on the road, there we go. You want to keep it in high. So one cool thing to note is that the breather tube for all of the differentials and the hubs is right here. So it keeps everything from getting water sucked into it. So that's pretty much it. Stay safe, guys. Don't sink your Humvee, and I'll see you in the next one.